Okay class, our next topic is syllables. What is a syllable? A syllable is a part of a word that every word is divided into when we say that word. Or we can say any vowel sound of a word, that how many times a vowel sound will come in a word is called a syllable. For example, here is the word hop. Which vowel sounds can we hear in this word? Hop. We can only hear a one vowel sound, and that is o. Hop. So this is a one syllable word because it has only one vowel sound in it. The next word is jug. And how many vowel sounds can we hear in this word? Jug. We can hear only one vowel sound, and that is a. Jug. Only one vowel sound is here, jug. So it is a one syllable word. This is the word rabbit. How many vowel sounds can we hear in rabbit? Re, one vowel sound a, bait, eat. So how many vowel sounds are there? Two vowel sounds, a and e, which is rabbit. So how many syllables are there? This is a two syllable word because we can hear two vowel sounds in it. What is the next word? Bubble. How many vowels can we hear in bubble? Bull. Here we have two vowel sounds, and this is a two syllable word. What is the next word? Banana. How many vowel sounds can we hear in banana? Na. So we can divide this word into three parts. So it is a three syllable word. What is the next word? Calendar. How many vowel sounds can we hear? Calendar. So it is a three syllable word because we can hear three vowel sounds in it. Okay class, now take out page number 22. Here we have a syllables exercise. In a box we have some words written, and we have three columns, one syllable, two syllables and three syllables. We have to categorize the words according to their syllables. The first word is tomorrow. How many syllables are there? Tomorrow. There are three syllables, which means we have to write in three syllables column. The next word is car. How many syllables are there? Car. Only one syllable and one vowel sound is here, so we will write in one syllable column. The next word is also. How many syllables are there? Also. We have only two syllables in it, so we will write it in a two syllable column. Now complete this part and put all the words in their correct syllables column. Now coming to the second part, fill in the chart by splitting the words into syllables. The first one shows you how. The first word here is handbag. We will see how many syllables it is divided into. Handbag. There are only two syllables, so we will divide this word and write it in their syllables column. Now here is an example, number 3, computer. How many syllables this word is divided into? Computer. It is divided into three parts. First one is come. So we will write come in the syllable 1 column. The next part is pew. So we will write it into the syllable 2 column. And the third word is ter. We will divide it into the third part, that is ter, and we will put it into the syllable 3 column. Okay class, after completing page number 22, come on to page number 23. Here we have some words written and we have to put the number of syllables in it. The first word is block. How many syllables are there? Block. Only one syllable. So we will write number 1 here. The next word is popcorn. How many syllables are there in popcorn? Popcorn. There are 2 syllables. So we will write number 2 here. Here we have another word, television. How many syllables are there? Television. There are 4 syllables. So we will write number 4 here. Okay students, now look at below copy work. Make 5 sentences using at least 2 syllable words. Here we have to make sentences of those words that has 2 syllables or more, and this work should be done in your copies, in your English copies.